Hi, I'm Lisa. I was a student here at University Centre Hastings doing the BA Honours in Early Years Care and Education. I think my favourite thing about the course was how approachable the tutors are and the support that we received. They're lovely small groups of us. It's nice and local to my hometown, and yeah, the tutors are just amazing. They're always there for you, whether it's a uni problem or a personal problem. They're fantastic. A large part of our final year was looking at us as leaders of settings, talking about learning about leading others, and good kind of management skills, looking at time management, things like that. And we also learnt a lot about conducting our own research, things like making sure research is ethical, it's conducted fairly, that people can remain anonymous, and that was really useful because up until this degree I'd kind of only used others' research whilst I was learning rather than understanding how to do it myself. The thing that drew me to here is it's accessible. It's close to my hometown. Buses and train stations really nearby, but mainly the tutors. So I was able to contact Angie before signing up to the course, come in and meet her, ask her tons of questions, and that was really reassuring before I actually signed up. It was nice to get to know them first.